Hello, welcome to 234 19th Street Avenue. We are at unit number 3. Lovely vintage apartment here. So we're just going to take a little walk down the hallway. Just wanted to take a little break first and say there's a really big walk-in closet here. Perfect for all of your stuff when you first walk in the door. We're going to go ahead and take a nice little look into the great room. Really nice sized living room, vintage hardwood floors, nice big windows, lots and lots of light in here. There is also a separate room here that could work really nicely as an office. Lots of light even on a slightly cloudy day like today. And then we get to go ahead and we'll walk on into the bedroom here. Glass doors. Again, still lots and lots of light, even though we're all the way out in the sunset, which everybody always says it's really foggy. But I think there's still a good amount of light in here. There's a huge, enormous walk-in closet. And then we'll go on over and we will check out the bathroom. Sliding glass doors, sink, toilet, and there is also a bit of storage on the other side, so it's a good amount of space there. And then we're going to take a nice little peek into the kitchen here. So we've got some linoleum on the floor, there's still a bunch of storage, refrigerator, nice gas stove. And lots of cabinet space, which is great. Everybody needs that. So we're just gonna take one more look into the great room because it's such a lovely room. And let's look into the office. And then I'm going to say thank you so much for joining us. Bye-bye.